Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos longer using CapCut. So if you want to extend the video duration, here is how you can do it. And here I've got a video added into my CapCut and the current duration is 6 seconds. And if you want to make it longer, you can just slow it down. So let's click on the video and go to speed, click on normal, and let's swipe the circle here to the right, and you can see now the duration will be changed. It will extending. So I'm going to go with 0.5 times, and now the video will become 13 seconds. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.